Uh, yes, sir. There was like this one, accounts voucher one, and it was due on 17 July. So like when I opened it, the like oh no, actually the question was correct. Like, but I had a doubt on this one. Like create a voucher for purchased goods on credit basis.
Yes.
So, when I saw the question, so I thought it might be like, okay. So I opened my notebook and, but then when I was almost, I almost started to attempt it, but then I saw I saw the notes which you have like written in the class, right? Like you have given example of debit voucher and credit voucher. So like on the credit side, we'll write what comes in the journal entry for like debit thing, right? For
No, no, no.
example, oh,
One minute. 1 minute. When the transaction is in cash, okay, then there is a concept of debit voucher and credit voucher. Means you have to write only one side in voucher.
yes.
Okay. But when the transaction is on credit basis, then you have to write both side of accounts in voucher, like debit item and credit item, both.
Yeah, so that's why I was like saying, right? If you're if it's if the goods are purchased on credit basis, then we have to write the name of the buyer, right? But like no name is mentioned.
So you can write creditor's name. That's it.
Okay, that's why I was like confused what to write, what to write. So I didn't attempt this question.
Okay.
Yeah, and till then, I guess only this one. And like rest all like it was basically economics one. And this one accounts like the definition one I've done it. I will like should I submit it on like Learnable app or should I directly submit to you on WhatsApp?
First of all, whenever you solve a question, okay, try to create one file, one PDF file, okay?
Yes,
Uh,
yes, yes. But
Actually,
like
in previous class, some of the students, actually, I have given 4 to 5 questions, okay? So they solve it in like 7 to 8 page. They have taken the picture of 7 to 8 page separately and then uploaded it. So that is very difficult to check. So create one PDF file for all your solution of that class or on a certain date. Create a PDF file and then upload it on the portal or app if you have.
okay. So should I should upload on the portal, right? Not directly to you.
Yes, yes, you should upload because they also wants to see that student have solved or not.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, then I'll only upload this one. Like what is check, debit, and credit note? This one. Supporting documents and vouchers definition.
Okay. So in our previous class, we have started the ledger concept. Yes.
Yes. We were on. We completed till like columns.
Yes, format of ledger.
Yeah, amount related to account. Yes.
Yes. Now, these are the concept, the steps in preparation of ledger.
Okay.
So there are 3 steps I told you in previous class. It is called posting, totaling, and the third one is balancing. Okay. Okay. So the first step, if you see here that posting, so posting means transfer of entries from journal to respective accounts in ledger. when you prepare journal, okay, in journal, there is separate accounts written in debit and credit side of entry, okay? And you have to post these accounts, these entries into separate account of ledger, okay? So on the basis of journal, we prepare ledger. So this is what it means for every entry we post the transaction in two or more accounts. Like if in any entry there is two accounts, then it will be posted in only two accounts. If it is more than two accounts in journal entry, like cash account debit, discount account debit, to Mohan account, to Sham account, so in that case, cash account, discount account, and Mohan account will be used for posting purpose. Okay. So for every journal entry, you post it in Ledger in two or more accounts. Is this clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir, you are.
Okay. So what I just said.
So you were telling about something posting.
Yes.
You were telling about like posting, right?
Yes. But what I just said.
I didn't hear exactly.
So you have to say it then. If you have not uh, get the point, then you'll not understand the concept.
Yes, like
And if
I
you
don't
have
like.
understood all the concept, then I can start with the question.
No, no, not right now.
Okay, read all these first.
Okay. Process in ledger. Posting. Posting means transfer of entries from journal to respective accounts in ledger. It is necessary because because it summarizes and brings all transactions related to a particular account at one place. Steps: identify the account to be debited or credited in ledger. Enter the date of transaction in the date column of the account written in journal entry. Name of account in the opposite side of journal will be written in particular column. Enter the relevant amount in the amount column.
Okay. So the first thing is, whenever you prepare ledger, okay, you create different accounts.
Yes.
It is purchase account debit to Mohan account. Okay. Now, for posting purpose, it will go in two accounts. One is purchase account, and the second is Mohan account. So now, first of all, you have to decide that which account will be entered in which account. So here it is purchase account to Mohan account. And in Mohan account, it will be by purchaser. Okay. So Mohan is on the credit side of entry. That's why we have written on the credit side of Mohan account. Purchase is on the debit side of entry. That's why we have written debit
Credit
side.
side.
No. That's why we have written in the debit side of purchase account. So you have to see that which account is debited by it. Purchase is debited here. So in purchase account, we will write on debit side. Mohan is credited here. So in Mohan account, we have to write it on credit side. Okay.
Yes.
Now, The next thing is we have to write the account name of opposite side. In purchase account, we'll write Mohan. In Mohan account, we'll write purchase. Okay. If the transaction is like this, cash account debit, discount account debit to, let's say, A account. Cash account debit, discount account debit to A account. Now, so in this entry, we will open three accounts: one cash, one discount, third is A account. Okay. So if you want to write in A account, can you tell me in which side we will have to write this transaction in A account?
So it will be by cash account on debit side.
By cash on the credit side?
Yes, sir. And uh, by discount allowed or received.
Actually, it is discount allowed.
So by discount allowed account on the credit side, and
Yes.
yes, right.
A account. So by cash, by discount allowed. So this is the ledger posting. And you can see in our A account, we have written the opposite account name, which is cash and discount allowed. And we will write the amount. Now, amount will be written in a manner that in A account, let's say it is 9,000, it is 1,000, and it is 10,000. So we have to write 10,000 in A account. Okay. But we will write like this: 9,000 and 1,000. So total is 10,000. So it is equal to this amount. So you have to write the amount which is in front of this account to A account. Now, when you
Yes,
prepare cash account, you will write 9,000 in that account. When you will prepare discount account, you will write 1,000 in that account. Okay. So, not 10,000. Sometimes students do that, like they prepare discount account, they write 10,000 in discount. So that is incorrect. Okay. Why
yes, sir.
this confusion? Because when you prepare discount allowed account, you will write in the debit side to A account. So they think that in A account, amount is 10,000. So they write 10,000, which is incorrect. You don't have to see A account for amount. You have to see discount allowed account. So discount account is 1,000. So we have to write 1,000 here. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So three things you have to consider: that the first one, account that we have created in ledger is written on which side in journal. Okay. Is this clear
Yes,
or should I repeat?
yes. No, no, no.
Okay. The second thing is we have to write the name of opposite side account in respective ledger. Okay.
So you said this only right before.
This one.
You said almost the same thing right before also.
No, no. It is different.
Okay, okay.
The first one was you have to see that on which side in journal entry you have written. So first, in
Okay,
first
okay,
step,
yeah.
we decide the side. side only. Like we have to write on the debit side or the credit side. After that, we have to decide what we have to write. So opposite side account is written. Okay.
Okay.
And the third one is amount in front of account created in ledger will be written. So if you are writing purchase account, then you have to see in front of purchase account, what is the amount, not Mohan account. Okay.
Okay.
So these are the three main steps of posting. Now, please write this. After that, there is two small steps, totaling and balancing. After that, I will try to solve a question.
Okay.
You'll write this until that time. I will post some journal entry so that it will be easy.
Mm,
Done.
No, sir, I'm doing actually. I was writing, but in between, I actually got a call, so I stopped writing. And now, I have to go somewhere after the class.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you. I'm writing this like two.
Do it fast because leisure portions are very lengthy. It will take time to complete.
Yeah, like just 2 3 minutes. And then
Done.
Yes, so doing this last one 15, 20 seconds. Okay.
When will be your half yearly examination or quarterly one, if there is any?
The half yearly is done, right? I told you.
Yes, one exam, but a half yearly.
No, no. My PT1, like, no, sorry, Unit 1. Unit test 1 has been completed, and after that, my half yearly has also been done.
Okay.
Yes. The two exams have been done, and after vacations in like September or October, my unit test 2 will be there.
And what are the syllabus we have to cover for that?
Um, I don't exactly know. I'll just check you and tell tomorrow, like in the next class.
Okay.
Will be with particular college. Okay. Enter, enter the relevant, enter the relevant, enter the done, sir.
Okay. Actually, now not much time is left to understand this topic, but let's go through it. First of all, these are the journal entries: cash account debit to capital account. The started business with cash, then purchase to cash, purchase to Mohan when you purchase on credit basis, Dave account debit to sales, Mohan account debit to cash and to discount because we have paid cash to Mohan and he allowed us some discount. Okay, salary account debit to cash. Now, for this journal entry, first of all, we will create format of ledger. Now, for creating ledger, we need to count the number of accounts in journal entry. So one is cash account, yes. Two is capital account. Three is purchase account. Cash we have already taken. Purchase already done.
Fourth is Mohan account.
One account. Then
Fifth
five
is Dave
Dave
account.
account. Six
Six
sales account.
sales. Seven
Seven
discount receipt account.
discount received, and eight salary. So
Salary
total
account.
eight account we have to create. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. So total eight account we have created. Now first one was cash account. Actually, uh, for every ledger, the account size can be different. Like in cash account, you have to create more number of row here. For capital account, we need only 3 to 4. Then purchase account, then sales account, Then Mohan account. Here it is Dev account, discount received account, and in last it is salary. Anything else? No. Okay, now we have created all the ledgers. So the first entry is cash account to capital account. So in cash account, we will write on the debit side. In capital account, we will write on the credit side. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In cash, we have to write on the debit side, opposite account name, which is capital. And in capital account, we have to write on the credit side, opposite account name by cash. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Second is purchase to cash. So in purchase account, we have to write it on the debit side to cash. And in cash account, it will be by purchase.
By purchase. Yes.
Okay. Now, tell me about these entries also. Third one.
Purchase account to Mohan account. Okay. So in like Mohan's account, it will be to purchase account, amount 10,000 on the debit side, and would be
On which side?
no, sorry. By purchase account, will be on credit side, and the amount will be 10,000, and in purchase account, it will be what is that? Wait, did I say wrong for the Mohan one?
No, no, tell me first, then I will decide it is correct or incorrect.
Okay. Then on purchase account, it will be like in purchase account, it will be, I don't know why I can't say. I guess like it will be to Mohan or by Mohan on the debit side.
You are saying both side, to and by both. Only one is correct.
Wait. It will be to Mohan's account on the debit side, and amount will be 10,000.
Yes, in purchase account, debit side to Mohan account, in Mohan account, by purchase account on the credit side.
Yes. I don't know why I just like got confused.
It is very simple. And in Mohan account, it will be by purchase account. Okay. After that, there is Dev account debit to sales account. So in Dev account, it will be
In Dev account, it will be uh, it in Dev account it will be to sales on debit side, uh, and like in sales account it will be by Dev account on the credit side.
is 15,000, I think. No, 20,000. And in sales account, it will be by Dev account, 20,000.
So it's
After
a
that,
five. It's a 5,000 profit, right?
how you can say that?
Oh no, no, it's like okay, okay. I thought you wrote 15. Okay, okay, okay.
No, no. If it is 15, then also how can you say that it is 5,000 profit?
Because no, I thought you wrote like in Dave account. I thought you wrote 15,000. I didn't see properly
No, let's take that 15,000 amount. I'm saying it is not 20, it is 15,000. Then tell me how you have decided that it is 5,000 profit.
because like if we are like selling goods to what do you say Dave, and the goods and the goods we sold to Dave cost us 15,000, and if we are selling them at 20,000, that it will be 5,000 profit for us.
Okay, okay. That is incorrect. Okay. Think about it. You have purchased goods. You don't know the quantity here. Yes.
Yes.
And you don't know the quantity here also. So let's say you have purchased 10,000 from Mohan. Yes.
Okay.
And half of these goods are sold at 20,000. Then,
Okay.
because there is no information, so we cannot say that how much quantity we have sold. So that's why profit cannot be decided here unless it is
Okay.
written the cost also. Is this clear?
Okay.
Okay. So next entry, Mohan to cash to discount received. So in Mohan
This
account,
one.
we have to write on the debit side.
This one is already done, right?
Yes,
This one is already done, right?
yes, we have discussed this.
Okay.
Discount received 500. And in cash account, it will be by Mohan account
By Mohan account on the credit side.
9,500. You have to remember this, that we have written 9,500 in cash account, but the name is by Mohan account. So don't be confused and write 10,000. It is always 9,500 in cash. And in discount received, it is 500 by Mohan 500. Okay.
So we have received a discount from Mohan, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And the last entry is salary account debit to cash. So in cash account, it will be by salary account 5,000, and in salary account, it will be to
By
cash.
cash. Yes, I do cash account.
To cash 5,000. Now, after writing all the entries, the next step is of totaling. Now, totaling means you have to calculate total of both sides. On the debit side, it is 20,000. On the credit side, it is 19,500. Yes.
Yes.
So total, which is higher, will be written in both side total. Okay. The lower amount will
Okay.
not be written. Now we will calculate the difference. So 9, 5, 14, 5, 19,500. So the difference is only 500. Here we will calculate the difference, and in front of this difference, we will write by balance CD. And this balance will be carry forwarded to the next period on the opposite side to balance BD. Is this clear?
Okay.
Now, in capital account, which side has more total?
Credit side.
In debit side, there is zero amount. So we will write the total of credit side on both sides.
Yes.
Now we will calculate the difference. It will be same because 20,000 minus 0 is also 20,000. So here it is to balance CD. And in the next period, it will be by balance BD 20,000. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you can solve the question related to this ledger because I have explained, I think, all the steps, totaling, balancing also. So you can do this. Actually, we don't have much time, so we will not be able to complete this portion. I can do this like totaling 15,000 here. On the credit side, it is also 15,000. Then in sales, it is 20,000. And on the debit also, it is 20,000 because highest total is written on the both side. Yes. So this is totaling. And after that, we calculate the difference. And difference is written with to or by balance CD. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me if you have any doubt in any of the concept of ledger.
Oh, this
Yes.
is clear. Like, only the part I get confused at, like, when and way to write buy balance and to balance CD and BD. Only this confusion.
By and to balance BD and
Like,
CD. Actually,
basically what I'm trying to say is, sir, कि like I don't understand. मुझे ये नहीं समझ में आ रहा कि क्या चीज किस चीज के लिए यूज हो रही है, and like
okay,
when do we have to use it and
okay.
where do we have to use it.
At the end of period, when you calculate the balance, it is written as CD at the end of the period.
So like CD will be only used at the end, okay?
CD will be used at the end and BD will be used in the beginning. That's it. No debit,
Okay.
no credit concept is here in CD.